My name is Landon Smith. I am the construction manager here at Lincoln University. Today we're going to go over the Dawson Hall project. Dawson Hall is a student housing facility that was originally built in 1970. It was called the Tower Hall. It is the largest building we have on campus. All students typically come to this dorm first, so everybody's well aware of this project here. We took this project down to the studs. We're going to do a complete renovation. We're going to build it back up. We're going to get a modern facility in here and other additional features that we'll show throughout this progress to kind of show everybody exactly what's going on and give you an update. We took the building offline in 2023 for this major renovation with a goal of modernizing it to continue to serve as home for students during their time at Lincoln University. So the way we're remodeling this project, we're starting from the 10th floor down. And so on the 10th floor, we've got the drywall and the painting completed, tiles started. And as we come down here to the 6th floor, we'll see that we have the ceiling's not done, and we have all the mechanical systems going in. The drywall started. We've got our mechanicals coming in, sprinklers dropping down, and then the paint will follow thereafter. So as soon as painting is finished, we'll start the floors. And like I said, we'll start from the top and work all the way down until this is the next level to start receiving paint. So we're gonna walk around some of the spaces here that will be a little different. So in this area here, this is our main lobby. This is infilled. It was a spot where we had a void here, and we've filled this up so students can now lounge here and watch TV. We've also created study rooms for students to hear and gather, to have little group efforts to come here and study. As I walk down the hallways here, we can walk into this first room here. You can notice that they now have an open concept to each one of these rooms. Another key feature that these rooms have is that each room will have their own dedicated thermostat. So students will have the ability to kind of decide of what their temperature is going to be in each room. And as we walk down these main halls here, we're going to have Wi-Fi throughout, so each student will have the ability to connect on any of their devices. The restrooms are still communal, but they will have individual doors to each one of these rooms. So if a student is coming in here to use the restroom, each door is lockable. And so they can have the ability to still have the privacy within the restrooms. Each floor will be the exact same layout. And so we'll have each student on the floors with shared communal. We'll have the Wi-Fi, we'll have study rooms, and we'll have the lobbies so everybody can get together as well. This is a window that's getting installed in all the student rooms right here. This one is set to be replacing the old windows that were there. As well, in this renovation, we're getting all new framing throughout, and they're installing drywall right now. And this drywall is mold resistant and high impact. And so if any moisture or anything like gets on that, it won't build up. And then this is the new heating unit. And so each room will have their own dedicated heating unit per room. So as we walk down these hallways, along with the new framing and the doors, there's also insulating between each one of these rooms as well. And so the students will have the ability to have their room isolated, not only temperature-wise, but noise as well. And so the insulation will help with both of those things. Well, thanks for everybody for sticking around to see what the whole renovation is about. Hopefully this gives a clear picture of exactly what we're doing here. We're excited to reopen it in the fall of 25.